Hi everyone and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal, and this month we're looking at box number 50. Can you believe we're 50 boxes in? A huge hello to anybody who's been with us from the beginning. Now this box, I've not opened it at all. Sometimes I have a little peek, usually I save it for the reveal video where I can explore what's in it along with you. I've not had time to look at this at all, and I'm actually a little bit confused because I'm like, what is the theme? We've got cupcakes and pretzels, donuts, we've got kind of milkshake, I guess it is, we've got coffee cups, marshmallows, coffee beans, all sorts on here. So definitely food, drink related. So let's take a peek. Now this one has been designed by Calcott of Made to Surprise. So she says, I hope you enjoy this box of sweet treats. So I'm sure we will. So here we go. Let's take a look. We've got a lovely tartan. We've got a really bright orange tissue wrapper in the bottom here with some more goodies in, but we'll come to that in a little while. I always go through the wallet first because this is kind of where the bulk of the items are. Now, as always, don't forget to share your makes with us by using that hashtag Papercraft Society. So this is whether you're posting on Instagram, on Facebook, doing a video on YouTube, whatever it may be. If you use that hashtag, we will find your content and we can then share that out for you as well and come along and comment. Right, let's take a look first of all at some of the dies. Now we've got here, let's see if we've got something white. There we go, we can put that behind. We've definitely got kind of like some cream on here, on top some whipped cream. We've got a straw. We've got like an iced coffee cup or frappe or milkshake sort of lid. And we've also got the cup there. Now this looks like it could either be a waffle, a biscuit, or yeah, I suppose, or even bar of chocolate, something like that. I'd say probably more down the waffle cookie type route. We've got a slice of lemon, orange, lime, whatever you may want it to be. We've got a flower there as well. We've got a tea bag, or the tea bag hanger bit. I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to guess this is maybe to, oh, I see. No, now I look at it that way. I see it is the top of a like a coffee cup, isn't it? Of course it is. I was thinking it would be going the other way round. So you're building up your own drink cup. Now this may be a label perhaps, or a wrap. Sam's going to be doing a craft along with this. She's going to explain all of this much better than I can, but at least you get to see what's inside. She'll also be doing a reveal video like this, so again she can explain exactly what everything is intended to do. Let's look at the stamps as well. So you've obviously got your drinks there, and it looks like we've got our food here, all of our sweet treats. So we've got happy birthday, have a drink on me, you have been a good friend, winter spice and all things nice. And we've got a donut there, some macarons. Do you call them macarons or macaroons? Macarons, I think. Cupcake, that looks like the most amazing slice of sponge cake there as well, a pretzel and such. So you've got lots that you can be stamping. And do you know what, that's so different to anything I've seen before. It's not Christmas, it's not birthday, it's literally any occasion, isn't it? Now I'm also going to open these and see what's inside here. I can see we've got almost like a glittery blue on the top, but I think it doesn't feel, or it doesn't look, no, it's a no shed. So it's a no shed glitter cardstock. Oh, we've got two. We've got a red there as well. So we've got the red and the blue. You can see the glitter in them. It's smooth. It's really smooth. Like you could write on that and stamp on that even if you wanted to. That is beautiful. This is the same as the packaging, as you can see there. Beautiful tartan patterns. Then we've got, this is like the outside of the box with all those different images on. And then we have some of this again, but in the reverse, so the more of the red in the background. So beautiful pattern papers and glitter card there. Now let's delve in and see what's inside that tissue paper. So it's a really bright orange. Okay, oh, okay, so now I've got two, I don't know if I'm supposed to have two of these. I've got two tubs of gilding flakes. I hope so, but that is really cool. So I've not seen gilding flakes in a Papercraft Society box before, so we've got gold in there, so that's really good fun. That's something different. Then we've got another stamp set, so it's got a cookie, a flake, tea, pull, coffee and okay, so the fact that we've got the word pull there suggests that perhaps maybe there's a kinetic element to the dies. Again, hopefully, well, I'm sure Sam will be able to explain that to you a little bit more when she starts doing tutorials with these. We've got a lovely embossing folder in that sort of plaid or tartan pattern again. Then we've got our coordinating cardstock. So we have got the teal. I really love this colour. We've got 2 of those, and this is double-sided, white core on the inside. It feels like it's around about 220 GSM roughly. We've got the orange and we've got the red, so 2 of each there as well. So 6 of the cardstock, and lastly in the bottom we've got the project booklet. Now, if you don't want to see the projects yet, if you like to keep this booklet a little bit like you would with a magazine as a bit of a surprise, then I'm giving you the chance to kind of avert your eyes right now, because I am going to do a quick flick through the booklet, more so that I can tell you what that pull element is all about. So let's have a look. Now obviously we have Sam's made some beautiful cards there. I'm sure there's been some other people help her with these projects as well. Yeah, so we've got coffee cups and we've got cold drinks as well. Let's see. I'm just reading actually things like the die sets. Yeah, it is a waffle. It is a waffle. So insert, slot, insert. Oh, okay. So we have got pieces, I think, that are going to create you. Here we go. Sam's done that for us. She's done us a step-by-step on creating a kinetic card. Fabulous. I won't hover on that too long. You'll be able to see it when you receive your box. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, do you know what, I really love the look of that kit and the project booklet. Obviously you've got 16 different projects in here, lots of step. I just saw a photo of Monty there. But you've got 16 different projects in there, lots of step-by-step and instructions as well. If you love the look of this, now if you're a subscriber, this is going to be winging its way to you very soon. But if you're not a subscriber and you'd like to sign up to subscribe for the Papercraft Society boxes, there's a different designer every month. And this is delivered in the UK free to your door each month as well. You can find all the details linked down below in the description. It's www.papercraftsociety.co.uk. You can sign up for different monthly terms, so you can sign up for 3 months or 12 months or in between as well. So check out the different details for each of those, because you do get different prices depending on the length of your subscription. You can pause your subscription at any time as well if you wish to, but we also have a craft along supplied by Sam. This is going to be a live craft along in the CraftStash chat group on Facebook, so go and find us there. That's CraftStash chat. So, like I say, if you're interested in subscribing to this, you have until the 20th of October to subscribe to this box. From the 21st, if you subscribe after that date, you're going to then roll on to the next box being your first delivery. So I hope you love this box as much as I do. I can't wait to get crafting with it. I'm going to watch Sam do the craft along as well. As a Papercraft Society subscriber, you will receive an email reminding you of that date nearer the time.